Motorsport.
Yeah, Matty, and they're really busy down here. We've talked about some of the heat issues that they've had down here at Erebus Motorsport. We actually looked at them yesterday, and we said these cars, and they're a heat pump. And one of the really big challenges they've got here at Erebus, and there's not really much they can do about it, have a look inside the bonnet area here. There is just no room down in here for airflow. So as a consequence of that, a lot of this heat comes back into the firewall of the car. And you might recall I showed you the Nissan out on the grid yesterday. By comparison, it has this massive hole, if you like, this gap of airflow because of where its engine is relative to the bodywork around it. So that's a real battle. Now, Lee Holdsworth, there's his car just over there. They're having a bit of a battle with him at the moment. He's now got his bottom of his foot is literally burnt because that heat goes through the firewall. There's no carpet. There's some insulation. They've put some extra ducting there, and they've even got these insulators. That's a fibre insulator that goes between his foot and the accelerator, the brake pedal. But even so, with that, the heat's going through the metal firewall, through the pedals, which are metal, up and into the base of his foot. It's a real drama. And to give you an idea, the temperatures, we'll just review them again. Water temperature in here, I was watching it actually during that last race, 114 degrees water temperature they were running, that's centigrade. Engine oil temperature will get anywhere up around 130, 140 degrees. The same with the gearbox back in the car. Inside the cockpit, we already know we see around the 50 degrees centigrade. The front brakes here, 1,000 degrees. Now, I want to show you whilst I'm here, I've grabbed some brakes off some road-going Commodores and bits and pieces. Now, there you are. V8 supercar front brake disc and bell, nearly 400mm. There's your road car one. That's off a Commodore, and you can see just the massive difference, and that's how this thing handles the 1,000 degrees and pulling up that 1.5 tons of car. There's a pad. There's your road-going Commodore, brake pad. There's your V8 supercar pad. By the way, that's a used one, so you can see the massive difference. And there's a fundamental difference also. Look at those 3 circles there. If we look at a road-going caliper, that's your front brake caliper that pushes those pads onto the disc. See there? 2 pistons. Now, if I pick up a V8 supercar one, this is one everyone has to use, control component, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pistons pushing from both sides, and what that means, as you can see there, it means a nice equalisation of pressure of the pad onto the disc face.